The OnePlus 11 Pro is the perfect phone for anyone who wants the best of the best. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the OnePlus 11 Pro and show you all of its amazing features. We'll also compare it to some of the other top smartphones on the market, so you can see why it's the best phone of 2023. OnePlus 11 Pro, Best Smartphone 2023, Android Smartphone, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Triple Lens Camera, 5000 mAh Battery. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the OnePlus 11 Pro, the latest and greatest smartphone from OnePlus. The OnePlus 11 Pro is a powerhouse of a phone. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is one of the fastest processors on the market. This means that the OnePlus 11 Pro can handle anything you throw at it, from gaming to video editing to multitasking. The 11 Pro also has a triple lens rear camera system that takes stunning photos and videos. The main lens is a 50 megapixel sensor, and it's joined by a 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 32 megapixels telephoto lens. This gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to taking photos, and you can be sure that you'll always get great results. In addition to its powerful performance and amazing camera, the OnePlus 11 Pro also has a massive 5000 mAh battery. This means that you can easily get a full day of use out of the phone, even if you're a heavy user. The OnePlus 11 Pro is also a very stylish phone. It has a sleek glass design and it comes in a variety of colors, so you can find one that matches your style. Overall, the OnePlus 11 Pro is an amazing smartphone. It's powerful, has a great camera, and a long-lasting battery. If you're looking for the best smartphone of 2023, the OnePlus 11 Pro is the one for you. Thanks for watching.